Hello guys and welcome back fellow watchateers to the SOTC of the end of 2020 video. It is again time for the state of the collection, and if you missed it, there is a state of the collection from the beginning of 2020 coming up right here. It's around the middle of 2020, but it's okay. So check that out if you haven't seen it, and then check this one out, or check this one out and that one, to see what has changed in the collection in the last month. So there is quite a change, but with no further ado, let's just jump right in to my table, to my watch table, to my collection, which is in the box. So let's jump right in, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So guys, and welcome to the table of truth. This is my watch box, and it's now finally been full. It's finally 100% used up with watches, and it took me almost a year to accomplish that. But watch collecting isn't a race. Watch collecting is a marathon. So I'm sorry for the fuzzy picture, because I set the camera for a nice, crisp, sharp picture around here, so you can experience the watches in all their glory. So let's open it up and let's see what do I have in my collection this year at the end of 2020. So let's start up here at the Casio line, and every one of you know already this watch. It's the Casio Databank, the CA53W, also known as the Back to the Future watch. This is one of my most fun watches. I enjoy wearing on casual Fridays, and it's just a blessing, this one, and it's around 20 to 30 bucks depending on where you buy it. So this one is just a no-brainer, and it's staying in a collection until eternity. Then we have a new arrival, the Casio GShock 5610 with solar and a radio setting and everything, the whole shebang, bells and whistles. So it's solar powered, so I do not have to change the battery in this one, and it's radio controlled, so it's always at the right time. I put it on a NATO strap. This is a, I think, 25mm NATO strap. You do need these adapters for the NATO straps, so I got the strap with the adapters for around 15 bucks, so that's okay. This one is awesome. I wear it at the when I work in the garden and do work on the house and everything else around the house. I do love it. It's a tough one. It's a tank of a watch, and just great. And we have my old trusted tough solar Illuminator. This was one of the first watches I bought, and it is still one of the most loved watches. I wear a lot, not as much as I wanted to in the last weeks, but I wear it as much as I can, because I just love the watch. It's an analog AnyDigi display with solar panels underneath the dial, and you can see the panels when I turn the watch slightly. This one is big. It is big, but it's awesome nonetheless, and I do love it. Then I got a watch I inherited from my grandfather. This is a Citizen Titanium, also solar powered, and it's very, very thin and light. It's so light. My grandma had it in a drawer for almost a year, but she pulled it out, gave it to me, and the second she took it out of the drawer, it started ticking again. This one is just quality. I can tell you, it's just quality. A watch that is sitting for so long and just starts ticking again as soon as it gets a tiny glimpse of light, is just awesome. I do love it. I don't wear it as much because the bracelet is a bit tight and I don't have spare links, but this one is just a watch from my grandfather, so it has a very special place in my heart. Then we got a Casio Edifice on the NATO strap. You already know this one from the last collection, State of the Collection video. This one, I wish I would wear it more often, but it is one of the first watches I bought deliberately, on purpose, with a collecting thought in mind, so to speak. And it's in the collection for a long time now, but it will stay in the collection because from time to time I love to wear it. It's just an awesome watch, and it's quartz, so as soon as it has a battery, it will tick on and tick on. And it's an Edifice, and Edifice is one of the sponsors from the Red Bull racing team, F1 racing team. At least it was. Then I got another Casio. Maybe I've just put the watch down here because this is the Casio line. This is a Casio Oceanus. And the Oceanus is one of the premium Casio lines. This one I bought used for around 25-30 bucks. I also got a video on this one. Just check out the link in the box on the upper left corner. It's a GMT and it is just gorgeous, except the scratches on the glass. These are not gorgeous, but the watch itself, the sunburst finish, the GMT line, the red arrow on the GMT hand, it's just a fun watch, and it's a fun watch to wear. It is a bit tall, but it's a Casio Oceanus, so for me it is a no-brainer. I just wanted a Oceanus in my collection, and now I got one, and I love it. Maybe I will buy another Oceanus in the future, but this one is going to stay. This is a keeper, I can tell you. So you're going into Casio line, and now we go into the automatics line, except from this one. This is a solar powered Citizen. We got it before, but I just need to put it somewhere, don't I? We got one of my absolute favorites, the SRPD 55K2. This is the black SRPD, the black Seiko 5KX model, and I put it on a strap code oyster style bracelet, and I think it suits the watch just gorgeously. I think I will put that one on the wrist right now, just to show you. It is a gorgeous strap code bracelet and a awesome watch. I just love to wear it on a daily basis. I wear it to work, and I wear it almost daily. And yeah, the bezel is a bit stiff on this one, but that's one of the QC issues you get with Seiko. Sometimes the bezel is a bit stiff and the chapter ring doesn't really align, but on my watch the chapter ring does align. So yeah, it ticks with around 2 seconds slow a day, so it is well in cost specifications, even if it doesn't need to be. You get a milk clasp and the whole shebang, stainless steel bracelet. It's a very hefty bracelet with solid end links. I also got a video where I show you the bracelet and I put it on the watch, so just check that out in the corner right on your screen, on the left side on your screen. Then after this one, I just couldn't even get it on the thing, on the pillow anymore. Wait a minute. So, got it on the pillow. Next one is my newest project, which you already seen if you have seen the video, the first video of today. This is my blue Flake. I call it the blue Flake, with the hovering second hands, because if you take a look, as soon as the second hands starts to go into the blue, you just almost only see the hovering rectangle loom pip on the second hands, and the second hand itself almost disappears, which I find fascinating. Bezel on this one, as you expect on a 34 45-pound case isn't the best one, but it's awesome nonetheless, and it's okay. It does the job, so nothing to complain about. I put it on a blue NATO from Barton, which is very comfortable. I love Barton. They're very they do make very good straps and very good NATO straps, and yeah, this is the newest acquisition to the collection. Then I got the Seiko Explorer I built. Was my second mod I did. It is based on a what is it? I don't know. I just need to take a look at the archive, which model it is. I totally forgot. Shame on me. So this is my second mod I built. It is the Seiko Explorer 361, which I ordered the dial from Raffles Time in the Explorer style dial with applied indices, and I think it suits the watch just gorgeous. It is just a gorgeous Explorer homage, even with the original bracelet on. It just ticks all the boxes. It's just awesome. I do love this one, and it wears so comfortably, even with the 18mm band. I just love the watch. I can't deny it. I just love the Explorer watch, and I wear it on race days when I watch Formula 1 because I can't afford a Rolex, but I think this one is better. Not better in quality and movement, but sentimental value, for me at least. And then last but not least, my finally finished SNZH. I also ordered a dial from rafflestime.com. Awesome seller in Singapore, and he has this aviator style dial which suits the watch just perfectly, I think. And with the outside inner bezel ring, it's just perfect, and it aligns perfectly. At least for 99% of the indices. The triangle on the 12 o'clock doesn't align perfectly, but that's okay. That's the typical Seiko bezel ring issue, even on an aftermarket dial. But I do love the aviator style build, and I do love it as a aviator style watch. By the way, all those watches tick within 5 to 10 seconds a day, fast or slow, so they are well within my set parameters, which I set for myself. So, but this is the collection 2020, at the end of 2020. I bet it will change quite a bit in 2021 because I got many watches I want to experience on my list. But until then, I want to enjoy every one of those. And I really never thought I would end up with more than one automatic watch. Never. I just thought one automatic watch is enough, but then there was a second one and a third one and a fourth one, so now I have 4 automatics, and I do try to wear them on different days. So one day I wear this one, next day I wear this one, third day I wear this one, then I go back to this one. So I do change them quite regularly. But nonetheless, I hope you liked my collection. I hope you liked the SOTC video. I'll see you guys back on the table in just a second for the conclusion. And yeah, until then, until right now, yeah, see you guys. So welcome back. I hope you liked the collection video. I hope you liked the SOTC. Share your opinions in the comments below, and let's talk about everything you have seen in the video, everything you liked, you disliked, and everything you would do differently. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you're doing well and you're staying safe out there. And yeah, I hope you have a very, very awesome Christmas in a few days time from now. If you do see this video after Christmas, I hope you had an awesome Christmas with lots of family, lots of friends, but not in the close way because we are in the middle of a pandemic. So with lots of friends via Skype and lots of presents. Yeah, just put your comments down below. What do you have had? Give your comments down below what you got for Christmas. I got nothing because we decided we don't exchange present this year. So that's a bummer. Yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next video in the new year. So take care, guys, and celebrate the new year and come up with some new what is it called in English? In German we call it Vorsätze, the things you plan to do in the next year, like addictions you want to get rid of or bad habits you want to get rid of, your bucket list for 2021, so to speak. Put in the comments below, and as always, like, subscribe the video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful time. I'm off now for the next week or two until New Year's Eve. See you guys in 2021. So I hope you stay safe and healthy there wherever you are. And yeah, don't forget to hug your family, or just hug your family via Skype this year, and stay as you are. Take care, guys, and watch out.